algebra. We're going to go over our worksheet as soon as you get to class. So let's talk about solutions to quadratic equations. Our solutions to quadratic equations are called roots, okay? And we can have either 0 solutions, 1 solution, or 2 solutions. So I'd like you to look at these examples right here. These are how we would solve for our answers, okay? So this graph here has 2 solutions. One is right here, and one is right here. This graph here has 1 solution. It is right here. This graph here has no solutions. Why do you think that is? What do you notice? Why do you think that is? What do you notice? This never hits the axes. This right here never hits the x-axis. So what's the pattern? Do you see it? Our number of solutions is given by the number of x-intercepts. How many times does my line cross the x-axis? Here 2, here 1, and the last one is 0. So here's 2, here's 1, and the last one is 0. Okay? Super important. All right. Let's look at our first graph. We're going to graph this. Of course, we're going to have to write our vertex down. So, what's our vertex? Well, what's being added to that x squared? Ooh, that's one of those weird ones. X squared plus 0 squared. Actually, that would be minus 0 plus 3. That's how we can rewrite that, right? So what's my x value? 0. What's my y value? 3. Is there a number in front? There isn't. So there's an imaginary 1 there, but no number in front other than a 1. So what are my building numbers going to be? They're going to be 1, 3, and 5. So you need to identify that in each of the cases. Okay, so my vertex is 0, 3. I'm going to go over 0, up 3, put a dot. Then from there, I'm going to go over 1, up 1, put a dot. Over 1, up 3, put a dot. Over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can put a dot. I'm going to. All right. Remember now I do it to the other side, and I don't really have to count now. I just go over, and I put it at the same level as the other one. I go over 1, and I put it at the same level as the other one. I go over 1, and I put it at the same level as the other one. And then I connect my parabola. Why didn't it connect? Weird. Okay. How many solutions do I have in this graph? How many solutions? I have none. No solutions. Why? It doesn't touch down here. There's no x-axis. It doesn't touch. So, doesn't touch the x-axis. If I ask you why, that's why. Okay? All right. Next one. I've got to graph this. What's my vertex? Well, what's the opposite of that? 1. What's my y value that's being added? 0. Fantastic. Is there a number in front? Nope. So my building numbers are 1, 3, and 5. So please pause the video and graph that. Okay, you should have been at 1, 0 for your vertex. You went over 1, up 1, over 1, up 3, over 1, up 5. We're going to connect that. How many solutions do I have? And what is it? What is my solution? I have solution of 1, 0. Just like when we were solving systems of equations, my solution is defined by the actual ordered pair. Don't write down one solution. I don't care that there's one solution so much as what is that solution? All right, let's try the third one. No, I think we're going to try the third one in class. God bless.